freedom fighters. We are looking east as the moon rises. The sun is reflecting on the moon. And now we're looking west where the sun is setting. No chemtrails today at all. 2 days, 3 days in a row, not one chemtrail aircraft. No aircraft at all, actually, none. So all of it's geoengineering that we see. Barely see the land in the distance. About to go over the horizon. Might see some of it up there that is over the horizon. See where that bird is. Yeah, there's the bird. Some islands there barely sticking out. But beautiful moon rise and the sun is setting. Let's watch it together. I'm going to show you tonight there's no particles in the air because we have no aircraft spraying us for the past 2 days. There's going to be zero chemtrail material tonight. I've seen the green and the blue flash at sunset, but I believe with all the particles in the atmosphere, I'll never see that again. But let's see what we see right now. Zoom in a little bit more. I love seeing the flash. The last little bit of the rainbow is blue and green is why you have it. I've watched the sunset my whole fishing career. It's so beautiful. I see a boat out there on the horizon. Last little bit of the sun. Taking a lot longer to go down because it's clouds and you only have a thin layer that's clear enough. Don't recognize much anymore because of what they're doing with our sky. It's such a heavy haze on the water. You're not seeing the curvature of the sun. It's getting the brightest point of it. Pretty cool sunset though. I've never seen nothing quite like that. Looks like it's just glowing out there. Might be fog in the distance too, that affects it. Looks kind of like fog offshore.